You pay good hard-earned money here at Tacoma, but thieves can steal your truck under 2 minutes using high-tech tricks. Tacoma theft is rising. They don't even need your keys, just a relay box to grab the signal from inside your home. Others use an OBD port to program a fake key in seconds, and they can open your car via a CAN bus hack. And once it's gone, your truck could be locked in a shipping container headed overseas before you can say taco. But that's not the only problem. Tailgates on Tacomas has been notorious from being stolen on 3rd generation and now 4th generation Toyota Tacomas.
Someone is stealing tailgates and targeting a specific type of vehicle.
Pick up some material for work, and I came out and the tailgate was gone.
Then you gotta think about your wheels. Those have been notorious for being stolen as well.
There's a new crime trend on Oahu targeting a specific type of truck. Viewers saw 2 Toyota Tacomas in Waipio with their wheels missing.
And what if you have valuables inside your Tacoma? We're going to be addressing all these problems. Let's lock it down. First up, a remote battery kill switch. Flip it off when you park, and your Tacoma won't start even if thieves hack it. This blocks relay attacks and also CAN bus start attempt code. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I can't lock it or unlock it. I'm not getting in. So the great thing about this, it'll prevent a CAN bus attack coming in through your headlight. And now let's turn it on. And we're in. Installation is easy. First, you want to get a trim removal tool and remove these tabs that hold the back seat down. Once you've got them off, you'll lift the back seat and you'll have access to your battery. And you want to lift up the red tab over the positive terminal. And we're going to have to get a post extender for this, for the hybrid. Just keep that in mind as you do this. And you want to remove the negative battery terminal. So you want to get a battery post extender, and then you want to get a 3/8" battery post. You're going to need the extension in order to do it on a Tacoma hybrid. Then you're going to take this off and you're going to put it underneath the negative wire that was coming to your battery. And then you just place it right on top, and then you lock it down right here. All right, and now you place this part of the kill switch onto the negative battery post that we just extended, and then we'll tighten up. Takes 10 millimeter. All right, you want to remove the top part of the positive terminal over here and place this red wire right down on top, and then put the nut over the top, and then lock it down. And it's 10 millimeter. And now your Tacoma can be safely parked outside without someone trying to run off with it. But some might say, hey Smokey, what about a relay attack using that key fob for this remote battery kill switch? We got an answer for that. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. Well, this is a Faraday pouch. Relay attacks depend on your key signal. This blocks it. This will protect not only your key fob, but your battery kill switch remote as well. Your Tacoma's key fob can even be disabled when you don't need it. 2 layers of defense. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So in this Faraday pouch, you want to put it down in that protective lining right there, or it will not work. So if you got the battery kill switch, put that in there too. Keys, or the credit card key fob. We're going to try to get into the Tacoma with this in our hand. It's not working. Let's take it out. See? Works. To do the same thing with the key fob, just hold down the lock button and push the unlock button twice, and it will disable the key fob. Now to recap, this will protect you from a relay attack, and the battery kill switch will protect you from a CAN bus attack. How can we protect your Tacoma's key from getting cloned and it end up in a shipping container before you can say taco? The answer is an OBD Protector. These love the OBD port to program fake keys. A lock stops them from even accessing it, and this will at least slow them down. Tailgate theft is real. A reinforced lock stops quick grabs and keeps your expensive tailgate where it belongs. But we're going to be doing something different. We're not going to be using pop and lock. We're not going to be using a clamp you can get down from Home Depot. We're going to be using something from a motorcycle shop of all places, dedicated to the Toyota Tacoma 4th generation, from Bobbercycle. Let's install it. Okay, this is 10mm socket. Take the smaller screw, then take a washer, put it on the end. Place the hardware over the hinge, and then tighten up with a provided socket. Right, you can see the tailgate closes up nice, and it is protected. McGuard wheel locks. Wheels and tires are stolen fast. These keyed lugs are cheap insurance and a visible deterrent. Now my Tacoma Trail Hunter came with this, but I installed it on my 3rd gen. And the great thing about McGuard is if you want the same key for more than one vehicle, you can go to their website and take care of business. Console safe. If someone manages to break in, your spare keys and valuables stay locked and out of reach. This is a must-have. Let me show you how I installed it. First, mount the driver's side bracket outside the truck. I actually use my tailgate as a workbench. Tighten it down with a provided tool. Next, drop in the passenger side bracket. Hand tighten the acorn nuts, then finish snugging them with a provided tool. Use the puncture tool to get your 3 screws started, then tighten them down. They give you a tiny Phillips screwdriver, but I grabbed a magnetic driver which made it way easier. Once installed, set your 4-digit combo. If you ever forget it, there are recovery instructions, but don't leave those in your truck. Keep them somewhere safe. This isn't theory. Across the country, Tacomas are being targeted nightly. But these protections buy you time and make your truck a harder target. If you only do one thing, get the OBD Protector and the Faraday Pouch. If you want more, add the kill switch, console safe, and the tailgate protection. And to protect your wheels, get the McGuard wheel locks. For full protection, run all 6. Will these void the warranty? No. Can thieves steal it? Nothing's 100%, but these make your Tacoma far less attractive, and they'll just move on to an easier target. Tacoma theft is a real problem, but you've just seen the solutions. Links to all the gear are below, plus a free checklist. Like, subscribe, and comment which protection will you add first. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.